So we have discussed two processes, backward and forward extrusion processes, hot and cold extrusion processes. We also studied. Let us study about the impact extrusion. Impact extrusion, in which a small uh, sort of solid material is placed in the die and is impacted by a ram, which causes cold flow in the material. It may be either direct or indirect extrusion, and it is usually performed on a high-speed mechanical press. So this is the block diagram of the impact extrusion process. What are the applications of impact extrusion process? It generally performs cold. Considerable heating results from the high-speed deformation. A short length of hollow shapes such as collapsible toothpaste tubes or spray cans can be manufactured by this impact extrusion process. Required soft materials such as aluminium, lead, copper, and tin are usually used in impact extrusion process. This is the block diagram. This is the ram and this is die. On the die you are placing the block or blank or work material, and impact is given to this punch, and because of this plastic deformation take place and it will acquire the shape of the ram or punch. So this is all about the impact extrusion. Let us go through the what are the short notes given here. What is metal extrusion? Metal, you know that through the die opening you are forcing the hot material by means of ram pressure, and it will acquire the shape of the die opening. Whatever the parts extruded, that is called as the extrudates, and it is patented by Joseph Brahma. Characteristics of this extrusion process, you are understand this, what are the various characteristics of this process. Types, you also know that direct extrusion, indirect extrusion, hydrostatic, lateral or horizontal or vertical, hot, cold extrusion, impact extrusion. In your syllabus only direct extrusion, indirect extrusion, cold extrusion, hot extrusion and impact extrusion is included. So you have to focus on these basic processes. So this is the block diagram of this cut section of this direct extrusion process. In this is the ram, this is the dummy block, and this is the billet. You are forcing, this is the die opening. You are forcing this billet in this direction. The movement of this ram and the billet is in the same direction. That's why it is called as the direct extrusion process. These are the various advantages and drawbacks of the hot extrusion of direct extrusion process. In indirect extrusion, this is the block diagram of the indirect extrusion process. In this case, this is the ram, this is the billet. This billet is moving in this direction. This ram is moving in this direction. Both are moving in opposite direction. So this is the ram is moving in this direction. This is the ram is hollow, and through the opening of the ram, the billet comes out. This is called as the extruded component. So this is all about indirect extrusion and or backward extrusion process. This is the block diagram of the impact extrusion process. These are the various, again, impact extrusion is forward, reverse or combination of both. Advantages of impact and drawbacks of the impact extrusion process is given here. Raw material setting up to 90%, reduced machining time up to 75%, elimination of secondary machining operation, reduction in multi-part assemblies and like that. So this is all about the, and these are the various parts extruded through the cold or hot working of metals. So these are the various products manufactured by the extrusion processes. So what are the products to be manufactured by direct extrusion process? Some pipes are manufactured, tubes are manufactured, it may be plastic pipes or it may be plastic tubes. Those are manufactured by extrusion processes. Rods, rail seats are manufactured by the extrusion. So this is all about the extrusion process. Thank you.